Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will talk about how you can get the Canva free subscription by using your college mail ID. Basically Canva is a graphical designing platform where you can create your own. If you are running your YouTube channel, you can create your own thumbnail, videos, banner, poster, presentation for your college if you are going to perform something, and many things, logos, design. So it's really a very interesting, and you can also use it for learning for the freelancing as well. So in this video I will talk about how you can get the Canva Pro for the 12 month, step by step the procedure. So let's start. And here GitHub student developer pack will be opened, and click here on the first one. It will directly take you to the first page of the GitHub, and here you can see GitHub student developer pack. If you will scroll down, you will see a lot of offers are here: Canva, Digital Ocean, Namecheap, and many are there. So but in this video only I will talk about the Canva, how you can get this for the 12 month. It is written here the benefits: free 12 month subscription of the Canvas Pro tier. So what we have to do, basically just click on here, get your pack. You will redirect to the new page, and here you can see you can use it as a student benefits or the teacher benefits. So we are the students, so click here. Let us see. So what we have to do, if you are new, then click on the create an account. Just enter your all details here. Just let it take some time. You can use your college mail ID here, and it will go further, and later it will ask some captcha. It will give some captcha, and you fill it, and some puzzle you have to solve it, and then your account will be created. And now what we have to do, then I already have created my account, so I'm not going to that page. I'm not moving further. What I will do, I will show you how you can do further. So let's wait. So after you will create your account, you will redirect to this page, and here you can see it is written GitHub Pro while you are using a student. And already my one request was submitted. As you can see here, I'm using a Pro subscription. You will see here some of the qualification that you have to read it out. Just read it, and you can see my mail ID. I am using my college mail ID as I am from NIT Andhra Pradesh. So what you have to do, basically click on the benefits. You will come back to this page, and you will see it here, one link. It is mentioned Canva. Just click on here. You will directly come back to this page, and as I have already created my account, so it is showing here my ID. But what you will get a new page here, where you can get some of the information will be mentioned here, like Google, login with the Gmail, login with the Facebook, or something else. I will show you the page, and if it's already submitted, requested, then later it will take approximately, I think, 4 to 5 days for the confirmation. So keep on waiting. You will get some verification link on your email ID, and later then click on the claim offer. It look like you have already claimed this offer. Yeah, see, if you will click here on you, then you will directly get to the subscribed with the Canva Pro. So it's really so simple. Nothing much we have to do. Already I think I explained. Yeah, just to get this, you have to create an account. Then you will get a link here. Just click here, and then you will visit to this page. You will get here Gmail. Again you have to fill your Gmail, then you will log in with it. It will take 4 to 5 days for the verification, and then you will have your Canva free subscription. That's all. And I will show you some of my project that I already have done. So yeah, wait. You can see some of the project that I already have created here. See, I am running my YouTube channel. It's okay. You can see here I have created a thumb for the ending video, thanking video, and also you can see here thumbnail. Yeah, I'm so sorry guys, internet is not working properly. Yeah, you can see here my thumbnail, some of my presentation posters, as I am a E&ICL member of college, so we used to create some of the posters as well. Really, I'm using, it's really very beneficial for me. And also I have done some of the project, like we have created a certificate. Yeah, you can see my, yeah, you can see here I did one presentation in my college. This was created by me. This is all about the pro, and also I did some of the, you can see here we created a certificate as well. Some of the certificate like 8 to 12, this is a pro, it's really very interesting and it look good actually. So nothing you have to do, just you will get it for the 12 month. Just get subscribe, wait for the 4 days, it will get 4 to 5 days, it will get, you will get a confirmation mail on your ID, then just utilize it. Bye. That's all about the Canva Pro. If you find this video and that's all about the Canva Pro. If you find this video interesting and informative, please do support to my channel, share it, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned with the upcoming videos. I'm coming soon with the podcast, so keep watching, stay connected, have a good day, bye.